Growing up, I loved sloppy joes. My mom worked, so she usually made this with a store-bought can of Manwich. It was definitely hearty eating, but what a mess! The bun usually never held up, and I would need a spoon to scoop up all that tangy, tomatoey meat that would fall out, not to mention the number of pairs of jeans and shorts I stained when it all landed on my lap. Fast forward many, many years later, and I came across a clever idea that makes sloppy joes, well, less sloppy. The recipe comes from one of the greatest chefs I have ever had the pleasure of working with in the kitchen, Meredith Laurence. You may know her as the Blue Jean Chef. She is ridiculously talented, funny, kind, and makes cooking uncomplicated. I already had my own recipe for sloppy joes, but now I follow her brilliant idea of using slider rolls and baking them on top of the filling. And while I never used cheese before for sloppy joes, trust me, no one will be complaining once you try it. Thank you, Meredith Laurence. You and your blue jeans are genius.